application, it's so easy, there's nothing to worry about. Oh wait, my plants, forgot to water them. Better go. Have you ever felt in that situation? It sucks. So here's a machine that will help you water your plants while you're not home. What you'll need is a metal wire, a plastic tube, and a long wick. And you'll need a glass bottle. It's like a wine bottle, but I can't hold wine bottles because I'm underage. So I had an adult hang one up for me on the tree. Okay, so now you're supposed to get this long wick into this tube, but it's not possible. So you need a metal wire for that, like here, like I showed you. So from the metal wire, you attach, so you make like a tiny fishing hook, and you attach this to there. So before you do that, first get the long metal wire from the hook inside. Get it all the way inside till it comes out the other side. So once you put that on there, take the other, it should be looking like this. So it'll come forward, it'll come backwards. Just make it be like this. So when you do that, you just pull from the other end. So you're supposed to get the wick throughout the tube. Do you guys see it? Okay. So once you get up to here, you have to go really slowly because it just comes out. So if it's hard, I just put my foot on it and I just pull. So once you get it out, at least leave this much of a gap. It's not necessary, but you can still do it. So then just take the hook off. So once you get this through, it should look like this. Just put it in like a tub of water and leave it there for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Fill water in a glass bottle that's hanging from the tree. Okay, so you slowly pour water in the bottle that's hanging from a tree. Okay, so now you take your tiny machine, take the long end and put it inside the bottle. And now, because of capillary action, water will come pouring down from this in a while. So now we choose our plant. Here's our options down below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 plants here. Here are the plants. Here are the plants. I think I'll choose number 5. Now take your pen and put it right directly under your wick. It's coming down. Why am I whispering? It's coming down drip by drip. So every 15 seconds, 1 drop must come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's coming drip by drip. Let's see how long it takes. Once this one goes down, let's count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Oh, didn't see that. So a bottle like this only lasts for about 4 to 5 days. But if you have like a huge bottle, it'll probably last the whole week. And I forgot to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.